and welcome to Hiranandani Thane Half Marathon. Now the one trend that has really picked up in the recent past is that people have become extremely health conscious, and that is precisely what you can see behind me. People are gearing up, they are ready to kickstart this marathon. This is the 4th edition of Hiranandani Thane Half Marathon.
Welcome to Thane! We're happy to have you here. Fantastic, keep running, keep being healthy, and come back again and again to Thane. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Keep running, 21 kilometers, it's just the beginning. Keep your energies on set, blast dead, fireworks happening. Oh my God, look at everybody.
The 4th edition of the Hiranandani Thane Half Marathon kick-started in the wee hours from Hiranandani Estate in Thane. Mumbaikars from different age groups registered for the run in large numbers to run for a noble cause. Niranjan Hiranandani, the brain behind the initiative, flagged off the event in style.
Okay, so this is the 4th edition. Tell us how the response has been.
Oh, the response is fantastic. It's more than 10,000 people, 11,500 I believe are already here, plus visitors. What a great morning. Fantastic, love it.
The half marathon is in full swing. Close to 11,000 participants have registered for this half marathon, and they have 3 options to choose from: 4 km, 10 km and a 21 km one.
Every year the Thane Half Marathon has some noble cause associated with it. This year, being the 4th edition of the event, the chosen cause was to build sanitation facilities in and around the Thane area. This year's race also encouraged participants to raise money to help the drought-hit farmers of Maharashtra through charity raising platform keto.org. At present, over 3 lakh rupees has been collected.
The cause is to stay healthy. I think the big thing for us as a life science pharmaceutical company is to stay healthy, and that's very important, and it's great to see the number of people that want to be healthy and improve their quality of life. So that for us is very important. It's rests with our values.
The cause is for the purposes of cleaning Thane and providing toilets, and also seeing the farmers who are in difficulty.
You're going to run as well, right?
Of course, I'm going to do the 10 kilometers. That's the spirit of Thane. It's so beautiful in the morning. I love it all. 3, 2, 1.
Marathons are driven by energy, and completion of the run increases motivation. The Hiranandani Thane Half Marathon offered a platform to professionals as well as amateurs. Runners from various walks of life participated in the dash and lifted up the foundation to a new level.
Very good.
मेरा गांव पुणे मैं प्रॉपर पुणे से 20 किलोमीटर दूर है. छोटा सा गांव है तरडे गांव करके. मेरे मम्मी पापा खेती करते. मेरा कोच भास्कर भोसले उनके पास मैं ट्रेनिंग करती. मैं अभी साउथ एशियन गेम्स में 2 सिल्वर मेडल 5,000 10,000 में. मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस था मैं फर्स्ट करूँगी.
Nice, I like it. It's hilly. I've been here 3.5 years. I've done, I don't know, maybe 5 a year.
I think they're trying to develop a passion among people to be more healthier, have a good lifestyle. That's it. I think people should take it easy. Everybody cannot be a professional runner. Should just take it.
Run. It should be, for fun, actually for fun and for fitness. It's not a race to run for.
I think it was very good, well organized. The signages were very clear. I like the ambience you have created, and what we say as a runner, we say the marathon spirit. I can feel the vibrancy. So well done, you guys have done an amazing job.
With the world under their feet and aspirations in their minds, the Hiranandani Thane Half Marathon raised the bar high for the runners of this country. We get you the winning spirit of this marathon on the other side of this break.
Welcome back. I'm here at the Hiranandani Thane Half Marathon, and currently I'm standing at one of the 21 pit stops that are providing the participants with the much required energy fluids.
Running is one of the best ways to build stamina and boost confidence. When it comes to kids, the biggest takeaway from this marathon has been fun. Where some children chose running over studies, others came to the ground to cheer for their parents.
हम लोग का एक ग्रुप है कुछ 14 लोगों का, वो हम लोग एक दिन संडे को ऑलरेडी 14 लोग एक साथ मिलके एक साथ मतलब जो हमारे सर रहते हैं वो रूट बनाते हैं। हमारा जो रूट होता है उस हिसाब से भाग के हम लोग ये प्रिपेयर करते हैं कि
रोज हम 22 राउंड्स भागते हैं हेरिटेज का इन पवई। इसके लिए 10 किलोमीटर भागा हूँ।
It's the first time that I was running, so we all came here to cheer for him, and we woke up at 4 o'clock, and it's good.
First of all, when I started the race, I felt like this is going to be easy, but in the middle of the race, when we completed about 3 kilometers, I felt like I was going to die. But when I completed the race, I felt like it was a great achievement.
I was a first time runner for the marathon. I just practiced for 2 days. I think that's very short. I ran, I jogged, and I walked.
We have so many activities while running, and we can play and we can have very much fun than doing studying.
Actually, last year I had run 3 kilometers. This year is 4 kilometers. So every year you keep progressing ahead on how much distance you run. And it's very fun. It's not about winning or losing. Everyone is the winner.
They say positivity is directly proportional to our well-being, and fitness is New India's most favorite mantra. This historic marathon gave a platform to veteran runners who believe that health is of paramount importance when it comes to a good lifestyle.
It was my first race. I'm so excited. It was a personal best too. And it was just fun, just loving running with the crowd and trying to beat a lot of people. So I'm really happy.
It was a 10-kilometer run, and I was running it first time. I was little bit asthmatic. I was walking on treadmill, usually on 6 speed. And it is first time I'm running, and so that's it. I completed.
I like running. I did Powai Marathon also, and this was a new one. And yes, it has a very high altitudes. It's nice to run on this track.
I've been running every year about 15-20 marathons, wherever they are. And then your Hiranandani Powai, now you got Hiranandani Panvel, going there also. I can say it's the best. There's no other better way to, I love it, that's all. It's the best. I love it.
Oh, I think it's a wonderful thing because it attracts so many people, at least to jog, run, and I think that's very good for the health. It's my regular jogging which has helped me. I don't jog so much, but today I said, okay, let's do it.
When your legs cannot run anymore, run with your heart. The Hiranandani Thane Half Marathon saw pacers and bystanders hooting for the runners to keep them going.
Well done.
For them, the run was not about winning, it was about completing.
marathon is very, very, very important because, you know, right now I have just run 4 kilometers and I'm feeling that I have to run it every day so that, you know, I can get back the same fitness which I was having a few years back.
It's been fun, been doing it for the third year consecutively. I'm from Bayer, so we are one of the associate sponsors. We have a group of about, I think, 50 or 70 running together. So I stay in this complex to see nice things happening. Good to see so many people up and running.
Marathon is for endurance. It's everything, you know, your continuous efforts. That is there's no competition. It's competition with yourself only. So, you know, it's how can you excel yourself in your life. It's give you stamina, it's give you confidence, it's give you everything. So marathon is all about celebrating life. So you don't have to, you know, compete with the other. Only you have to compete with yourself.
I run for 6 years now. So this was nice experience. This was my first experience for 10K. And I was a pacer. I finished in 75 minutes. And I'm a pacer, so I help people who want to run in 75 minutes.
We carry a message on our t-shirt. You can see that message. You know, that's for everybody. It's for to motivate the sport of run.
The purpose of the event basically is to make their people are sports conscious, and the contribution of this event goes basically for cleanliness, which our Prime Minister has announced, and we're going to give this money for Thane, all sanitation work for the toilets, etc.
This was the 4th year of this marathon, and every year we see the response has been just going a few notches up. When we started off, we were at around 3,500 to 4,000 runners coming to us. But we always positioned this run as a serious run, and this is a challenging course, tough course, because it has its lot of ups and downs, and you have to really plan it well to, you know, execute the event well.
Close to 11,000 people participated in Hiranandani Thane Half Marathon, and this marathon has now almost concluded. But actually, no marathon can end without announcing the final winners. So let's go across and check out who the final winners for this marathon are.
We have the 21-kilometer run, and yes, people could do it, men could do it. It's about females who've done it in unbelievable times. The second runner-up, we have Monica Chaudhary. On number 2, we have Manisha Salukhe.
The winner of the 21-kilometer marathon,
Swati Gadhaway.
Presentation of the 21 kilometers, a male, and we have the second runners-up, Mr. Vikas Kumar.
and now it's time for the first runners-up, and we have Mr. Ramesh Bishnoi.
ये रेस है, कभी अप डाउन होती रहती है। 21 किलोमीटर है, तो उसमें कभी मतलब बॉडी का कभी कम कभी ज़्यादा कभी रेस। दूसरा रूट के ऊपर अप डाउन होता है, बॉडी की रिकवरी कैसी है उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है। बहुत कुछ होता है जिसके हिसाब से वो पोजीशन डिक्लेयर होती है।
It's time for the winner of the 21 kilometer run in the male section, and the winner is Mr. Anku Kumar.
बैंगलोर मिडनाइट मैराथन भागा था, उसके बाद हैदराबाद हेरिटेज मैराथन भागा, उसमें पूरा अच्छा भागा था, इधर अच्छा किया था। मैं हैदराबाद में अभी भाग के आया था, उधर फर्स्ट था। अब इधर भी मैं सबको सीख रहा था फर्स्ट के लिए।
Alright, so to go with the awards, the 10 kilometer female, we have Jayashree Borgi. Jayashree Borgi, the winner. Woo! On the second position, the 10 kilometer female, we have Saida Nayak. And on the third position, we have Varsha Bhavni.
So now it's time for the winners of the 10-kilometer run in the male category. Our second runner-up is Mr. Sachin Dharate. First runner-up, Mr. Sunil Kumar.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। अपने को फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड से मतलब नहीं है, हमने अपना अच्छा टाइमिंग निकाला, लड़के अच्छे थे ग्रुप में, हमने अपना अच्छा किया।
Now it's time for the winner of the 10-kilometer run, Mr. Shandar Singh.
इसके लिए क्या हम कंपलसरी करते हैं ना, उस मैराथन होती है, इंटरनेशनल मैराथन होती है, उनके लिए इलीट में दौड़ते हैं हमेशा। और मुंबई में भी ये भी हुआ था, खारघर में सेकंड, उधर सेकंड हुआ, और यहाँ पे इसलिए अच्छा किया कि फर्स्ट होना है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे थोड़ा और एफर्ट लगाया, इसलिए फर्स्ट हुआ।
The participants are no doubt exhausted, but the energy in them is still undying. As you can see around me, people are still very enthusiastic and very energetic. All this reflects to the fact on how health conscious people have become and how willing they are to take part in such marathons. We hope we see such events in near future. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.
Oh, the response is fantastic. The cause is for the purposes of cleaning Thane and providing toilets, and also seeing the farmers who are in difficulty.
The cause is to stay healthy.
Attract so many people at least to jog, run, and I think that's very good for the health.
When I completed the race, I felt like it was a great achievement.
मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस था मैं फर्स्ट करूँगी।
Super route, super day, super weather, super finish. Thank you so much.